Financial reports in Timely show your earnings based on invoices raised for your appointments, packages, and also product sales. If your reports aren't showing any data, you'll need to make sure you are raising invoices for your appointments and also checking them out. In this part of the course, we will be covering the most commonly used sales and financial reports that we hope will be really useful to you and your business. So let's get into it. So Timely has 19 financial reports that you can access, but today let's just cover the key financial reports that we know you're going to most often use. The sales report. Now this report is a summary of the total sales value of your bookings, products and discounts given in a selected time frame. Now you can view an overall summary of sales, which will include a summary of your total income, including tax collected for that period, as I'm showing you here. Sales will then be broken down into sales by staff member and sales by location, as well as booked service sales, walk-in service sales, product sales, package sales, standard discounts, and promo codes as well. Now the service sales report goes into more depth of your sales and split out by services. So you can see the total sales for each service sold during that period, as well as tax totals and category splits. This report is great for identifying which of your services is performing the best, as well as being able to see a percentage split between your services. So this includes both booked and walked-in services. Services that were booked in the calendar will be shown under the booked service sales section. So walk-in or add-on services that have been sold directly to the customer on the invoice without being added to the calendar will be included in a separate walk-in service sales section, as I'm showing you here. You can also view a summary of the total sales value for products that were sold and also run a product sales report. It's important to note that the product sales report currently does not report on discounts. Now the transaction summary report. So this report will show you all transactions that have gone through your Timely account for the date period selected. This is a great report to run when you're needing to check if your till is balancing throughout the day and also at the end of the day. It is important to note that the sales report and the transaction summary report will show you different figures. And the reason for this is the transaction summary is showing you a report based on all of the transactions that have gone through your Timely account, including credits, deposits, and gift voucher sales, where the sales report is giving you a report on your revenue. So the sales report will only show you revenue of a credit, a voucher, or a deposit once it's been redeemed. Now the invoice details report shows a detailed list of all the bookings, products, packages, and vouchers that have been included in the sales report for a specific period. This allows you to easily identify what invoices have been raised during this period and also what staff member has sold it. You can filter this report by location, staff member, and by which items you'd like to include in the report. For example, everything or just products, appointments or services, just like I'm showing you on the screen. Now let's cover the unpaid invoices report. So this report allows you to see a list of all of your unpaid invoices with due dates and customer details. Let's hope you don't have too many of these, and you can filter the report on a date, so sales are included based on the invoice due date and also by location. Now this one is such an important one to make sure you get your payments from your customers. As mentioned earlier, there are many financial reports for you to explore in Timely, and if you have any questions, you can always contact our amazing support team.